It's Rick Signorella again with the June edition of the Hoffman Estates Citizen. In this month, we'll see the Hoffman Estates Fire Department swearing-ins, Hearing Life in Clearbrook ribbon cuttings, Hoffman Estates Police Department's open house, Kids to Parks Day, Cop on a Rooftop, and the information on the community's self-help fund. Here is the Hoffman Estates Fire Department's swearing-in ceremony.
I, John Wilson,
I, John Wilson,
have been appointed to the office
been put into the office.
Firefighter Paramedic
Paramedic
in the Village of Hoffman Estates,
in the Village of Hoffman Estates,
in the County of Cook.
the County of Cook.
Do solemnly swear or affirm
Do solemnly swear or affirm.
I will support the Constitution
I will support the Constitution
of the State of Illinois,
of the State of Illinois,
the Constitution
the Constitution
of the United States.
of the United States.
I will faithfully discharge the duties
I will faithfully discharge the duties
of the Office of Firefighter Paramedic
of the Office of Firefighter Paramedic
according
according
to the best
to the best
of my ability.
of my ability.
Congratulations.
Thanks, sir.
Thanks, I, Danny Niesel,
I, Danny Niesel,
have been appointed to the office
have been appointed to the office
of Firefighter Paramedic
firefighter paramedic
in the Village of Hoffman Estates,
in the Village of Hoffman Estates,
the County of Cook.
in the County of Cook.
Do solemnly swear or affirm
Do solemnly swear
I will support the Constitution
I will support the Constitution
of the United States,
of the United States,
the Constitution
the Constitution
of the
of
State of Illinois.
the State of Illinois.
I will faithfully discharge
I will faithfully discharge
the duties of the office
the duties of the office
of Firefighter Paramedic
firefighter paramedic
according
according
to the best
to the best
of my ability.
of my ability.
Congratulations, Danny. Thank you.
The Chamber of Commerce held ribbon-cutting ceremonies for Hearing Life and the new Clearbrook facility on Higgins Road.
Hi, we're pleased to be here at Hearing Life in the Target Shopping Center at 4595 West Higgins Road. We'll take care of all your hearing specialties, your needs. So it fulfills a very important need here in our community, and we're sure you'll be very successful. 3. Yeah. Good job.
Oh, look at that one time.
Shot. You're a natural. I'd also like to present to you, Greg, and your business here, the key to the Village of Hoffman Estates and many years of success and prosperity here.
We are a nationwide network of hearing clinics. We are all about helping people have their best quality of life through their best hearing possible. And each of our clinics provides free hearing tests for anybody who's interested. And we provide all kinds of hearing aids. We typically see our patients during their lifespan with their hearing aids. We work with all insurances. If anybody's interested, they can go to our website, hearinglife.com. They can also call 847-983-3186.
Very pleased to be at the Clearbrook facility at 1260 West Higgins Road. It's a great addition to the Clearbrook family. They've done a beautiful job. You look inside the building, it's beautiful. And they really fixed this property up. They will continue to serve people in the northwest suburban area for decades to come. And we really appreciate the great work that Clearbrook does. Great. Good job! I also want to present to Clearbrook a key to the Village of Hoffman Estates.
So today we are here at Clearbrook's Community Day Services located in Hoffman Estates for our ribbon cutting. So here in Hoffman Estates, we are providing a lot of learning skills, leisure skills. Some of our individuals are learning to cook. They might be learning some technology skills. We have a beautiful art studio. They are learning vocational skills, life skills. We're also going out into the community a lot so they can really be a part of the community in which we are providing these services. Clearbrook's website is www.clearbrook.org.
Hoffman Estates Police Department invited the public to check out the station and see what the different departments do with its open house event.
Hi everybody, I am Sergeant Giacconi. I am the Sergeant of the Tactical Action and Community Team, and today we have Detective Aldana, Commander Levin, and Detective Cherik, who are also part of the TACT team. And today we have our first open house that we've had in a really long time. As you guys know, we conduct station tours throughout the year. Historically, those station tours are when the people that work during the day are no longer here. So graciously, all of our officers and our civilian staff volunteered to flex their schedules. So we have every part of the police department. We have drone, canine, detectives, our tactical unit. We have traffic. I don't want to miss anybody. We have bikes. We're going to be registering bikes, which is awesome. we have car seat installation, we have our CSOs, we have our range, our NIPUS, Mobile Field Force and EST, we have our VMOs, we have 3 police social workers full-time here, so our CRC is going to be open as well. Illinois Tollway Tykes is here as well to give IDs for little ones that kind of come through with a picture, name, phone number.
And Northwest Central Dispatch is also here in our training room. Basically, Northwest Central Dispatch is our main hub for our dispatchers. They dispatch for a ton of different police and fire agencies. We're going to try to hit every department or division within our department here and just basically showcase how everybody works together. Some days we could use all of these resources or all of these different divisions in one call or in one case. And some days we may only use 1 or 2. And last but not least, if we didn't think of anything else, we also have a coloring contest for grade school aged children.
Thank you everybody for being here, and we hope to see you again next year.
The Hoffman Estates Park District celebrated Kids to Parks Day with a ribbon cutting for its newly renovated Vogelei Park.
Welcome to Kids to Parks Day. We couldn't be more excited to be doing this at the beautiful, brand new, rehabbed Vogelei Park. This has been a labor of love for the Park District, one of our favorite parks, actually one of our very first parks almost. Over 75 years old, we started this construction project. Thank you to IDNR for our OSLOG grant that turned this multi-million-dollar project into more affordable with $600,000 presented to the Hoffman Estates Park District. Kids to Park Day is a special day where we celebrate all of our parks, and we're lucky enough to be opening this brand new ADA fully inclusive park. You can look back and you can see the playground. Beyond the playground, you might not even be able to view it, but we actually have bank shot all the way over by the side of the barn. We also have bocce courts. We also have a 6-hole golf course, disc golf course, with half of it fully inclusive and ADA capable. We're so excited about this park. Brand new splash pad is going to be turned on today, so we're going to get to about 80 degrees hopefully.
What a beautiful day to celebrate Kids to Parks Day. You couldn't have picked a better day, Craig. It's great to be here at this historic park, recently renovated. I know you did a great job here 25 years ago on the renovations, and you've enhanced it and made it ADA compliant, which is a fabulous thing for the people of our community. We're fortunate to live in a community that's a gold medal winning park district. Not too many towns have that. And you guys have always done a great job. I'm here on official business from the Village of the Hoffman Estates Office of the Mayor proclamation. Whereas May 16, 2026 is the 16th annual Kids to Parks Day, organized and launched by the National Park Trust, held on the 3rd Saturday in May. Whereas Kids to Park Days empowers kids and encourages families to get outdoors and visit local parks, public lands, and waters. Whereas we should encourage children to lead a more active lifestyle, to combat issues of childhood obesity, diabetes, hypertension, and hypercholesteremia. And whereas Kids to Parks Day will broaden children's appreciation for nature and the outdoors. Whereas Kids to Park Day will recognize the importance of recreating responsibly while enjoying the benefits of the outdoors. Be it therefore resolved that I, William D. McLeod, acting under and by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Constitution of the State of Illinois and the laws of the great Village of Hoffman Estates, do hereby proclaim Saturday, May 16, 2026, as Kids to Parks Day in the Village of Hoffman Estates. We urge all residents and businesses and everyone to join its observance. And what a beautiful day to observe it. Thank you, Hoffman Estates Park District. I urge all the people to come on out and look at this recently renovated park. It's beautiful, and it's one of the amenities you have for living in the beautiful town of Hoffman Estates.
All right, enjoy the park, enjoy all of our parks. We have over 80 parks in the Village of Hoffman Estates, the Hoffman Estates Park District, and they're there for all of our residents to enjoy. This is just one of our latest, so enjoy this one as well as all the others.
The Hoffman Estates Police Department held its annual Cop on a Rooftop event at our 4 Duncan locations for Special Olympics, Illinois.
Good morning. Today's Friday, May 15th, and today is Cop on a Rooftop at Dunkin' Donuts. Here in Hoffman Estates, we're using 4 different locations. We're at Barrington and Hassel.
You want a t-shirt or a coffee mug? Coffee mug?
Mug?
All right.
Yeah.
$10.
Wow. 50.
50?
Oh
All
my
right,
God.
thank you. Yeah. Want a shirt?
Good, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right, take care, guys. Thank you.
Just to do that.
Hi guys, so we're with Hoffman Estates Police Department. We're out here collecting donations for Special Olympics today. As you can see, we got a lot of good goodies. We got mugs, t-shirts, pins and stuff like that, but you gotta hurry up because we're running out of stuff. We've had so many people come out and donate, so try to make it out soon before we run out of stuff.
We're at Barrington and Gulf Road.
Good morning, everybody. Hoffman Estates Police Department's out here at the Dunkin' Donuts on Barrington Road at Gulf, raising money for Special Olympics. We're doing Cop on a Rooftop. Anytime we get a donation, you get a free donut or a free cup of coffee, so thank you everybody for your support.
We're on Algonquin Road on the north side of town, and we're also on the west side of town at 59 and Higgins. Come on out, donate to Special Olympics, help the athletes of Special Olympics compete in year-round sporting events. Thank you for your support. If you'd like more information about Special Olympics, you can go to specialolympics.org and make donations there as well. Thank you so much.
The Health and Human Services Department would like to inform you about the Community Self-Help Fund and the Hope for Hoffman Golf Outing.
Hello, I'm Dr. Monica Saavedra, Director of Health and Human Services. Thank you for participating in the Hope for Hoffman Golf Fundraiser, which is a great day of golfing and supporting the community. Your presence reflects an amazing community spirit and a commitment to making Hoffman Estates a great place for all of our residents. Your generosity and time help benefit the Community Self-Help Fund. This is a fund that is built by all of you, local businesses, neighbors, volunteers, people who live and work in the community. That is what makes the Self-Help Fund so special. It's about helping people in our community through community. The Community Self-Help Fund is a local lifeline built on compassion and collective action. Its purpose is simple yet powerful: to provide fast, flexible support to residents facing sudden hardship. Whether it's addressing food insecurity, securing safe housing, or offering emergency shelter, the fund stands ready to help when help is needed most. Through your generous donations over the past years, we have been able to meet real, urgent needs. Food insecurity is on the rise, and through the Self-Help Fund, we have been able to establish an emergency food pantry in the Health and Human Services lobby to ensure that families can receive food and hygiene items, as well as resources for larger food pantries in the area. We were also able to distribute food vouchers to families in need for local grocers. Funds were utilized to assist a local school with purchasing items for children during the holidays so that children whose families experienced financial hardship could experience some relief. The Self-Help Fund assisted several residents with housing needs, including rental assistance for families who had experienced the loss of a loved one, job loss and reduced work hours, and financial strain. We assisted with purchasing materials for home repairs for a senior veteran with a disability to build a ramp to ensure safe access to his home. Through a partnership with the Lions Club, the Self-Help Fund was utilized to purchase beds for children and home repair services for residents with disabilities. We responded quickly to those facing crises, offering temporary shelter to people experiencing homelessness or escaping harmful situations such as domestic violence. This fund provided us with the opportunity to create some security for individuals and families, while our team and the amazing social workers at the police department could work with them to secure additional resources and more stable housing. One of the larger scale events that the Self-Help Fund was utilized for this past year was the large fire we experienced in the community in April, which displaced approximately 18 families. Because of the Self-Help Fund, we were able to secure emergency shelter, clothing, hygiene products, comfort items for children, diapers and formula that same day. And most importantly, it provided those families impacted with the reassurance that they were not alone. This event really highlighted how powerful and essential a community self-help fund is, because it brought together our community, from our amazing fire department on the scene, to our police department officers and social workers who jumped into action to coordinate needs and a space for families to gather, to our development services team that was there to answer questions for families. And of course, everyone who donated to the Self-Help Fund through this amazing Hope for Hoffman event, and those who had the vision to make events like this happen. We work together to provide security and comfort to our neighbors in their time of need. So thank you all. The Community Self-Help Fund isn't just about dollars, it's about dignity. It is about saying to someone who is experiencing a crisis or unexpected event, we see you, we care, and we will help. Thank you for your commitment to this great program, your generosity, and your impact in making Hoffman Estates the great community it is. Because of you, we continue to build the kind of community we all need and deserve, one where help is never out of reach and we show up for one another. Thank you all for being the heartbeat of this mission.
Well, that's it for this edition of the Hoffman Estates Citizen. From all of us here at HETV, thank you for watching.